Having your turn signal on this side is weird. This thing's got a turn signal here and a turn signal here like a Harley would. But it's so weird, like, oh dude. Oh bro. Oh dude. Oh oh shoulder, arms, what's up, bro? Shoulder? 911 or what?
Stay down, man. Stay down.
It looked like you hit the grass, Lucky. Bro, your helmet don't even have a scratch on it. Got some grass in there.
And my neck muscles are... What is this? No way. Is this this? This is the same corner. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, buddy. Where is the bike? All the way down there? Fucking hell, man. Oh my God, dude. How are we gonna get that back up? All right. How far did you get down physically yourself? Thank God. Can you imagine? Fuck.
I got chicken strips, bro.
A few moments later.
Shit. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry?
I gotta go up that road.
Okay, we had somebody crash. I apologize. We'll move. Just chill out for a minute.
Right for it.
I'm good.
You good?
I broke my arm.
Oh shit. You calling 911?
Yeah.
Come here, let me get you off. We gotta get you off the road at least.
No, hold on. I don't want to get up.
No,
my arm is really bad.
You okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Can you get up?
I'm good.
Who hit you? Who hit you?
She did.
He ran into me.
I ran into you. I'm going straight, lady.
Don't get up. Don't get up.
I'm not. I broke my arm really bad.
Right here, sir. The traffic was stopped. You came flying up.
I was recording the whole thing, lady.
Those cars were stopped. His arm's broke.
You got it? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Doktora?
Prosím?
Doktora chceš?
Asi ne.
Tak pomalím tě tam, jo? Pomalím.
Jo.
Pojď. Počkej, Počkej tu.
Sorry about it. You all right?